this powerful and positive video, there's one thing we need to succeed and win big in this YouTube evolution. That soon it's going to be too late. YouTube is getting rid of those old paradigms, coming in with new algorithms, and now it's going to be a time. If you ever wanted to get started, I want to encourage you, get started now. Pretty soon it's going to be too late to get in with the trend. And a lot of people are wondering, when is the best time to start? What do I need to get started? I remember when I relaunched my channel back in 2021, I did a relaunch. I had started it back up, got it back going again. And I was always wondering, is it going to be too late? I was always wondering how many other people are on the platform. According to my research, YouTube is really just getting started. So it's really never too late if you start right now. But pretty soon it's going to be too late to get in with the trends. And maybe you're watching this right now and you're wondering, what equipment do I need? What camera do I need? What microphone do I need, right? I want to encourage you that you really don't need all that. You can start with what you got right now. I'm pretty sure that you got a cell phone, you've got an iPhone, an Android, any type of phone. You can start with that phone, record your videos, growing from there. It's all you need to get started. Pretty soon it's going to be too late to get in early, but it's never too late to get in now. And later on, I'll share with you 3 things you need in order to get started. We'll get into that in a little bit. But yeah, you really need to know. The first thing we need to know with this YouTube evolution, if we're going to succeed and win big, we got to know that it's pretty soon it's going to be too late to get started with those new trends, too late to get started with those new ideas you have, right? So there will come a time with YouTube evolving the way it is that it's going to be too late to get started, but you're never too late if you get started now. This is the right time. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel right now if you want to stay empowered and inspired together. We're on our road to 5K. We'd love to have you here as a part of Next Level. Now I've got a bonus insight, a next level strategy that I want to share, but first I want to share this with you. And if you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership in our Buy Me a Coffee site, behind the scenes, never seen footage, buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. And there's 3 things you also need. This is a bonus point to succeed and win big. You need a device. Any device will work. You really don't need the equipment. You don't need the fancy cameras. You don't need the fancy microphones. All you need is a device to get started. Your Android, that's number 1. Second thing, you need an idea. You can take any video idea, go out there and study. I've studied other channels and take the details from other channels, learn from what's working, take an idea from that, put your own twist on it. That idea. The third thing you'll need is a plan, just a plan of operation. Think about what we talked about. That first year, give yourself that 1 year, never giving up, not worrying about how things turning out, learning as you go. This is what has helped me along my journey. And so I'm excited about it. I have times when I take breaks from it, but I'm excited about being able to share with you the mission, the gifts, my talents, inspiration that you could use along your journey. So keep these PowerPoints in mind with YouTube evolving, changing so much. And another thing to keep in mind, people come through on our channels, we can get discouraged with bad comments. There's ways that we can handle those negative comments and negative feedback. I'll talk more about that in this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out right now. Enjoy it. Thanks again for subscribing and always coming back to the channel. You really mean a lot here. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe to help us get our goal. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.